Welcome to Famety.com. Today we would like to introduce you our service, Buy Audiomack Re-Up. Audiomack Re-Ups are a feature that allows you to re-upload or re-share tracks, albums, or playlists you've already uploaded on Audiomack. This feature is similar to the reblog on Tumblr, retweet on Twitter, and repost on Instagram. Audiomack Re-Up feature is generally preferred by artists to bring older content back to the forefront. We can say that re-ups help them to take advantage of fresh engagement from new followers. Therefore, it provides an opportunity to extend the lifespan of the relevant content. Moreover, Audiomack re-ups make it easier to stay relevant and engaging on the platform, which increases the potential for discoverability. Here are simple, secure, and straightforward steps you will follow to buy Audiomack re-ups. First of all, open your preferred browser on your mobile device or computer and go to Famety's Audiomack Re-Up service page. Then enter the link to the Audiomack track, album, or playlist that you want to promote on the platform. At this point, we recommend that you need to make sure that the link you've entered is correct. We offer different packages depending on the number of re-ups you want for your Audiomack content. When the number of re-ups increases, we offer attractive discounts. If you want, you can also customize the package to fit your specific needs. Before proceeding to the payment process, make sure that everything is in order. If it's okay, click on the Buy Now button. We accept a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and cryptocurrencies. Depending on your budget and preferences, choose the most convenient option for you. Once your purchase is confirmed successfully, our team will begin the process of delivering your Audiomack re-ups. Then there is only one step left. Wait for the re-ups to be delivered to your content. Congratulations! You bought Audiomack re-ups safe and securely. We will start processing your order right away to ensure a fast arrival. As you can see, the steps are that simple. Strengthen your social media quickly and reliably with Famety. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.